So even though we only spent about $1,000 to get the property, and it's tiny, just under 800 square feet, and again, it's 2-bedroom, 1 bath.
Do you know anything about the HVAC, plumbing, electrical?
You just wait.
Why?
You just wait.
Wait, okay.
I'm not even gonna say anything about it.
Okay.
All right, it is this little gem on the left.
I feel like it needs a new roof.
Oh, that's the least of our concerns. But it's got like the cutest little postage stamp footprint. We have to go around back to get in. Let's go inside.
Okay.
It's like there's a sinkhole in the earth. But look, before you get too far, this is where you can see the foundation the most.
Yeah, the foundation
And
looks
it's
fantastic.
lovely.
There's just no roof or walls.
Sometimes is there maybe a reason things are free?
Oh, yeah.
So is this a bathroom in the middle?
No, that's like their furnace room.
Utility right in the middle of the house. All right. And the floor just fell in because of all the water that fell in. You know what this is? This is a cautionary tale of why you should fix small leaks right away. Good thing you got this for nothing. This cellulose insulation gets up in the air really easily.
Ew. It's not like the house doesn't smell bad, but the real problem is the cellulose insulation from the house collapse. It's not really too dangerous.
It just makes you cough a lot and it smells gross.
Yeah! See how all these ceiling joists are resting right here on this wall? This is so bad. Ah! I would try to keep as many wall members as possible in this place. What I do know is this place could come down at any time. Yeah, it would come down in a heartbeat.
Corey is not wanting to do what we want to do for demo. Does he just not want to get dirty? Does he actually think it's a bad idea? My guess is he just doesn't want to get dirty, so he's like, no, we really shouldn't do that, guys. There we go.
There's already too many bodies in there, so I'm just gonna do ground maintenance out here.
Yeah, so when one's demoing, one should look like this. Right here, look, we have a good amount of dirt. You don't see it, but he is soaking wet. Headband's dirty. Glasses have dust and dirt on them. Dust on the arm, twig on the shoulder. All right, Austin.
This is how you demo right here, baby.
And this is what you shouldn't look like. Corey he's completely dry. His hair is perfect. His sunglasses look like they've been freshly wiped.
I'm strategic with the demo, so that's why I look like this.
All right, here's numero uno.
The goal today is to see if we can salvage the left half of the house, because all the framing and the roof looks okay over there. The really bad portion is the right. So we want to see if we can get the right down without bringing the left side down too. We're trying to figure out how to take out, like, the furnace room. That's kind of what was supporting everything. How to take it out strategically to get the left half of the house to fall in, because we would rather be in charge of it falling in than it randomly happen at some point when there are people in there. All right, all right. All right.
This thing's about to come down.
Don't hit the joist, Tad. So we're kind of taking bites out of the inside and outside, playing this waiting game of when is it time to bring the roof down so it doesn't fall down when it chooses to, and we're walking a fine line. Gently, I said tap.
That is a tap.
Tap at the base. Just tap, 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 tap.
All right.
So we're pretty certain it's gonna fall in, right?
Yeah.
And definitely not touch the neighbor's house.
Get back up,
boy.
back up, back up.
Up. Yes! That just made my day.
That's all we need to do for now.
Watch out, be careful on that ear. Here comes the demo fort.
What we wanted to happen happened. The right side of the roof came down. We're gonna get the inside rubble all cleared out, and then we're going to pretty much push the outside wall into the middle of the house, and then we can remove that and keep the left side in place with all the bracing.
We've got some real bad news over here at the Irvington cottage. There is no longer a cottage.
So you see what we have here, right?
Yeah.
Bad scene.
The house had to completely come down because we were waiting on permits and some other situations to resolve themselves. And during that time, we couldn't work on the house, and the floor joist collapsed in and brought those exterior walls also in further. So there was no correcting it.
Yeah.
We just needed to pull it down and start anew.
All the lumber that comprised of our framing was racked and warped, and like just from having, sat.
This is now new construction, but unfortunately we don't have the budget to build anything bigger. So we could just sell the land and cut our losses, but that's not really what we do.
Because we're about improving neighborhoods. So we're gonna take this 770 square feet of house, which may be small, but its effect on the neighborhood will be mighty.
So now we've got the front door in about the same space, the bedrooms on the left where they were, but reconfigured the living room, the kitchen, the bathroom. So this is all open, and you can kind of have like a straight eye line out the back door.
You know, one of my inspirations for this house is the Kyle Oak. I'm thinking in this bedroom that a fun project would be a hanging tree bed and put it in this corner. Just a twin bed coming this way. I know I wasn't very excited about Mina's little field trip to the Kyle Oak, but this is our first house in Irvington, so let's pay homage to Irvington's most famous tree.
I'm starting to regret taking Mom to the Kyle Oak.
No regrets.
Don't know what exactly is happening in my brain yet, but as long as it's not permanent.
It can all go. That's not a problem at all. All right, that's the only thing I care about the floor plan.
And other than that, we're golden, right?
Yeah,
All right.
nice work.
Things are moving along with our new Irvington cottage build. We've hauled away all the debris from the collapse. We've repaired the foundation, and we're close to being done with the framing. At our house on Greenfield in Irvington, we're done with framing, and we're installing exposed beams on the ceiling to dry your eye up and make the space feel bigger. Out front, we decided to add a small front porch to give this little square house some extra curb appeal. And inside, it's drywall time. So today, Mom and I are gonna finalize our design plan so we can get this place finished.
And everything will be.
So this is the house. Wow. Look at this.
We come to life. We come to
So the front wasn't bad, but we did have to rebuild the whole thing. So we were able to do a really nice big porch with a cover with the peak on it, which adds some visual interest on the outside. Really nice front porch, and then the paver walkway, and then just a nice bed of sod. Makes everything look fresh and clean.
It looks beautiful.
It is
Come on,
Let's go
Come on,
inside.
let's go.
It's beautiful.
Come on in.
Oh, wow, actually, wow. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful.
So when we got this house, it was pretty much caving in. It looked like a volcano had exploded in it. So we ended up really not being able to keep anything.
So all brand new construction.
All brand new.
That is absolutely gorgeous.
But it gave us the opportunity to do this really cool vaulted ceiling. So we've got like 16, 18 feet up there, and then wrapped the beams. We didn't actually even need those, they're decorative.
Yeah.
But I think they're cool, they bring your eye up.
Yeah.
And as you can see, it's not huge, but it feels really spacious.
I like it. Yeah. What do you think?
Right. All right, come on over here, we'll take a closer look at the kitchen.
You're a fighter, go and grab your lighter, burn it down to build it stronger. Yeah, girl, you are a brave.
So when we got the house, the back door was kind of on that corner, and you kind of fell in.
The ceiling was caving
yeah,
in.
the floor joists were caving in.
Yeah.
The kitchen was back there, but there wasn't really much of anything left.
There wasn't, yeah.
And even though it is a small kitchen, we were able to pack a lot of cabinets in it, so you have a pretty good amount of storage for the size of the house.
Mommy loves to cook.
You have bar seating. We've got like our little dining nook. We went with light butcher block because it's very like Scandinavian, light. And then obviously we had to do the marble backsplash because the house is not complete without a little crown marble in it.
Absolutely gorgeous.